In this lesson, we are going to learn about grouping and aggregate functions. Typically, we use these functions as part of exploratory data analysis and to find the summary statistics about the data. First, we are going to learn about aggregating data, and then we will learn about grouping the data in this data set. For this demo, we are going to use our typical sales data set. First, look into aggregating data. In this data set, we want to find out total sales for the entire data set. For that, what we have to do is we have to compute the line sales. Then finally, we have to sum up all line sales into a singular value. For that, create a new column, line sales, with the product of total units and sales price. Multiply these two columns. We have created a new column, line sales. Now we want to aggregate entire data set and find out overall sales. For that, we have to use the aggregate function sum. Since we are going to transform entire data set into a singular value, that function has to be applied from transform menu. Go to transform menu and number functions, apply sum function. Now we have aggregated entire data set and found that there is about 608 million sales for this entire data set. Let us use the same data set and apply group by function. When are we going to use group by function? We are going to use group by function to find information like finding the sales by a chain or business line or category. Now let us find out sales by chain dimension. So for that, use group by function. For that, go to Home tab and then apply group by function. We are grouping the data by chain and we are going to find out the sales by chain, and we will be applying the sum function on the line sales column. So with this, we are grouping the line sales by chain like readyware and belling. If you want to perform advanced groupings, you can do so. For example, if you want to add additional dimension in the grouping, you can do so. For example, if you want to group the data by chain and then followed by category, you can do so. For that, go to applied step and then go to settings. From there, in order to add another dimension in group by column, go to advanced options, add another grouping column. Here select category and then say OK. Here we are aggregating the data first by chain, then followed by category. If you want to sort the data by chain, you can do so. Now it is clear that first we have grouped the data by chain and then category. So grouping and aggregating in Power Query is very simple, but typically we won't do these functions here. Instead, we are going to use reporting view. That's all about grouping and aggregating data. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.